I was reading a beautiful book. The book has a title, Taiichi Ono. Who was he? He was the plant manager of Toyota Motor Corporation. He was a ceramic engineer by training. But he rose to become the director and board member of Toyota because of his fabulous contribution to automotives. Yeah? And he used to ask the new joinees what he will do. Yeah? He used to write 3 equations. Look at this slide. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost. Second equation, selling price is equal to cost plus profit. Third, cost is equal to selling price minus profit. Yeah? He'll ask the new joinees, please tell me, are these equations same? And the new joinees will promptly say, yes, they are same. He'll repeat the question, same answer. He'll once again repeat the question and same answer. Then he'll say, okay, the answer is yes and no both. Mathematically, the equations are surely same. There's no difference. You want 1 rupee profit, 10 rupees is the selling price, 9 is your cost. 10 is the selling price, 9 is the cost, 1 rupee is the profit. So second also same thing. Mathematically, 9 is the cost, 10 rupee selling price, minus 1 rupee profit. Mathematically, they are same. However, in the practical scenario, look at these equations once again. Profit. In the plant hierarchy, who is the person who is worried about profit? Who are the people who are worried about profit? Surely, they are the people who invested their money. Chairman, MD, investors. Yeah. The people who have invested their money, they want a return. They are worried about profit. Fair. Now, selling price. Who is the person? Who are the people who are worried about selling price? Sales, marketing. They always have a fear. If I increase the selling price, there's a competition in the market. I may lose my market share. They don't want to increase the selling price. Third, cost. Who is the person? Who are the people who are worried about cost? Who are the ones who are worried? It's the plant manager who got his budget approved from the top management. Every year salaries go up, raw material prices go up, energy prices go up, packing, etc. Each and every cost goes up. Although he has already estimated certain increase. But if the cost rises beyond that, he goes to the top management, sir, I want budget increase. Sorry, based on your estimate, I given the profit figures to the board. I can't change it now. You have to manage within that. Beg, borrow, steal. Please do one thing, have a look at your working. Reduce the cost somehow. And the poor guy goes back. What to do? My friends, mathematically the equations are same. Practically, they are quite different. What to do now in this scenario? How do we keep everybody happy? I have to keep the business owners happy. Salespeople should be comfortable while selling the product, pricing the product. Plant people should be comfortable. So now we have to remember one thing. Plants are responsible for cost control. Plants are the one who are consuming all the raw materials. Plants are the one who are having most of the manpower. Plants are the one who are consuming almost all the energy, all the packing, all the transportation. So plants have to have a look at their way of working. They have to identify the avenues of cost reduction, cost control. And when it comes to cost control, I once again quote Shukracharya, Kshan or Kan. Cost has got only 2 elements. Hindi word, Kshan, maybe a second. Kan, a gram of material. Without affecting the quality, can I save a second from this process? Yearly basis, you are producing millions and millions of components. If you reduce 1 second cycle time, you will be able to produce few lakh more from the same machines. Can I save 1 gram input material without affecting the quality? Once again, you are producing millions and millions of these components. Even if you save 1 gram, you will end up saving several tons of raw material. Yeah? So focus on Kshan and Kan. Shukracharya in Niti Shastra said, Shanascha Kanascha ev vidyam artham cha sadhyet. Na tyajyo shan kano nityam vidyadan arthina. Whosoever wants money, whosoever wants skill, he must focus on his Kshan and Kan, his seconds and his grams. Yeah? Don't ignore this. And you will be much more efficient. Yeah? Bless you. Yeah? Continue to work.